Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Oh, what is your name?
My name is Mr. Mahit.
Oh, Mr. Hayat, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm also fine, thank you. I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. By the way, do you know how many skills are there in English?
Yeah, there are four skills in English. They are listening skills,
Yeah.
Speaking skills,
Yeah.
um, reading skills, writing skills.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
all.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for joining today's class. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and try to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? Have a good time. Goodbye.